In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to personalize your Windows folders and also how to lock the folders whenever needed. There are two different ways of personalizing the Windows folders. In one way, you want to personalize by using a customized image, and the second way is to use predefined icons by downloading them from the internet. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you both ways. So let's go on our internet browser and type in icoconvert.com. Scrolling down, let's choose our file. And in my case, I'm going to choose, say, this one. So go in your image folder or wherever you have some images and choose your file. After that, you click on upload. You can see it saying uploading, please. After uploading, it says successfully uploaded. Scrolling down to step 5, click on convert icon. And then after it has been processed, you want to download your icon. After downloading the icon, make sure you know the location of the icon because that is where you're gonna choose the file from. Now let's create a new folder on our desktop or wherever you see deem. I'm going to call it document. Click on the right side of the mouse and go to properties. Go to customize and click on change icon. So on change icon, you've got predefined icons which you can use, or you want to browse to where your icon has been downloaded to. So I saved mine in downloads. So this is my file. Double click it and here we go. So to select the file, I just click on it again and click on OK. Apply and OK. And here we go. I don't know if you can see it clearly, but this is my new personalized folder. So instead of the normal Windows folder, I've personalized this one. Let's look at the second way to customize your Windows folder. So first of all, let's create a new folder. I'm going to call this images. And let's browse to a new website called iconarchive.com. You can choose from these whichever one you want, but I prefer in this case the emoji. And then smileys. Okay, which one to choose? Let's choose a gentle one. Okay, so when you click on it, it tells you which one to download. In our case, whenever we want to customize a Windows folder, let's make sure that the file is an ICO format. So when I click on ICO, it downloads the file for me. Again, it is located in my downloads. So on the desktop, images, right click, properties, then you go to customize. It's the same process basically. Change icon, you browse to the location of the smiley face, click on the smiley face, select it, OK, apply, OK, and here we go. And here is our customized images folder. In the last part of this tutorial, I want to show you how to lock a folder in Windows. And to do that, go to the description below and you'll find a link that leads you to download a file. After downloading the file, you can place it on your desktop or leave it in your downloads. After doing this, search for Notepad from your Windows search. Go to File and Open. And locate the file that you downloaded. In my case, it's on the desktop. Double click on it and it opens up this code. The line which says if not pass equals your password, go to fail. You want to substitute this, your password, with your own password. So in my case, I'm going to use lock123. And then go to File, Save As. And I want to save this new file inside the folder that I want to lock, or the folder that contains the folder that I want to lock. So in this case, I want to rename it and give it a meaningful name. I'm going to show you later the reason why. So document, and then I'll add a .bat, which stands for batch. Save, and then now we can close this. So now let's go back into the document where we've saved the new batch file. So here that is. When I double click on the document or the batch file, it says enter your password to unlock your secure folder. So in my case, I did lock123. When I hit enter, it opens up the folder, which is the private folder, which no one can actually see. So in case I place this folder, this smiley folder, in here, after leaving, I double click on it. Are you sure to lock this file? Yes. It locks it. So the reason why I give it a meaningful name is to make sure that whenever I come into this folder, I know exactly what this is. And I'm the only person who can access it. I hope this tutorial made sense to you, and I hope that it's going to be useful for you in the near future. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.